Kickflip challenge number 4. We have the chainsaw blade. Very dangerous.
This is so scary. This is the hardest one.
I got these new shoes, so I'm about to dunk on these kickflips.
Oh my God.
Ah!
The grand finale. Hey you guys, we are here today for the epic kickflip challenge number 4. Nigel Ryan Jones was on his phone, but he is now here to join us. We have Carlos, Nigel, Chris McNuggett, Fetty Potter, and last but not least, super special guest, Jonny Geiger.
I thought he just skipped over you.
Hi Uzi!
You're playing?
He's playing. He's playing. We went all around the BrailleHouse looking for what boards to kickflip next. And to be honest, it's a little difficult finding ones that are actually possible now that we've gone through 15 already. So this is 16 through 20. First off, what is this, Fetty?
Flow board.
This is a flow board in which we took the actual flow trucks and wheels off, put on the titanium 3D printed trucks. You guys might have some familiarity with this one. This is the morph board. These bearings are pretty good. Oh! This is very heavy. The mop bucket board, the Lazy Susan, the Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. No, sorry, the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. And look at these bolts. This is definitely going to make kickflipping very difficult. I'm not gonna drop this one, it'll break our ramp. And then we have, what is this, 4-inch, 5-inch board, 6-inch? The popsicle stick board.
It looks like a classic skateboard keychain.
I don't know what Fetty did here. We're gonna go with it.
Last but
not least, we have the chainsaw blade. Is that what it's called?
The chainsaw. No, it's
very
still a board.
sharp, very dangerous. And that's our lineup for today. We have 5 minutes to kickflip all of these boards. Fastest time wins $100. This is a kickflip for cash challenge, episode 4.
Can I go first?
Oh, of course.
Because you're a guest here, all right? I'm gonna give you a bit of an advantage here. Going last is the absolute best strategy.
Is it?
I just want to let you know, because you watch everyone else, see how the flick works, see what order it is to go in. So if you want to go first, you can go first. I'm just gonna let you know that going last is the best.
I'm gonna go first.
Johnny's gonna go first. Whatever order after that, I don't think it really matters, but Fetty, can you keep time?
Sorry.
You can lay them out in whatever order you want. It doesn't matter. Completely up to you. All right, what's your strategy going into this?
I think I'm gonna start off with the easiest one. I think that's the easiest one.
Dan is laughing about something over there. I think he doubts the easiness of the morph
It
board.
looks just like a skateboard. Like,
That's what we all think.
after this, I'm gonna go for that. After that, I'm gonna go for the flow board. Needs a lot of flick. And this heavy baby will be the next. And at last, the chainsaw. Because that is absolutely the scariest one.
Your time starts on the first pop.
Good?
Yep. Oh.
No! No! What? Is that it? No.
Well, yeah, rebate that. We'll count that.
No.
Ah! Take your time. There you go.
That was so bad. Yeah.
Get more flick. There you go.
Ah.
Oh, nice. Money. That counts. You're good. Woo! First point. All right. The grand finale. Ah! Oh, watch those shins.
What? So hard.
Down. Oh! That counts. That was amazing. I think that was the best guest performance ever in Braille history. We did tell you not to underestimate the morph board though. All right, who's up next? Carlos wants to go. All right, Los Litos. On first pop. Nailed it. Rebate. Wow, he's going out of order. Count it. Yep, we know it's gonna take more flick than that.
Wow, that's different.
Wow. There you go.
I don't think it's gonna do it.
Woo! Don't land primo on that one.
I'm already tired. How'd you flip
down. Oh! That's the second time that happened where I said flick down and it worked. Wait, you got one more, don't you? Skinny one, right? You did all of them?
All of them, that's it.
I have been thoroughly bamboozled. Nigel, you're up.
117.
What did Johnny get?
155.
155? I think 117 is beatable still. Very beatable. So Nigel, you're up next. Time to beat is 117. Very, very doable.
If you say so.
I think we can all agree that the fact that the Lazy Susan doesn't roll, bless. All right, my friend, whenever you are ready.
I'm so sore from yesterday too.
Ah, for one suggestion. Save that one for last, because I know that one's gonna make you the most angry.
I'm just gonna just knock it out.
All right, on the first pop. There you go. Wow! Count it! Woo!
Oh, this one's weird. I'm gonna kick down, see what happens.
Almost.
That works better. Oh no, this and the chainsaw are the death of me, I feel like.
Flick a little more.
I'm so sore from yesterday.
Oh! Woo! Oh, there it is.
Oh, I'm hot.
Yeah, you are.
Thanks, kid.
Oh!
Oh, that hurts so bad. I'll come back to it.
Count it.
This is so scary.
It wasn't bad.
Why does it seem easier than that one? Oh, no grip tape, that's the key.
Oh, that's good. All right, everything's on this one right here.
It really is.
Oh, look at that.
This is the hardest one. Oh my goodness. I thought this was gonna be one of the easier ones. And it's so nigh.
Good. Time.
12 minutes.
3 minutes, brother.
Hey, that's not bad. Honestly, anytime you complete a kickflip challenge, I turn into a proud dad. I'm like, I just watched my son evolve. McNuggett, you're up?
Yeah, I'll go.
Then Uzi, you can go next. Then Fetty, then me.
I think I'm ready. I'm gonna start with this one though. Starts when I pop, right?
On the first pop. Yes,
Okay.
sir. What in the world?
Oh
Get
yeah.
out of here.
That's heavy.
What?
Wow.
Okay. Wow. Whoa! Come on, Shinner! Look down! Oh no! Commit! Wow! When I say Chris wanted that $100, he wanted that $100.
Absolutely.
Just want to mention, like he fell off this, but he just fell off because he did it right here.
Yeah, it's because he was popping in transition.
Yeah.
52 seconds. Fantastic. Uzi, if at any point you feel like your injured leg will get worse in this video, just stop. You can be honest with
I'll
me.
probably make it better, but
I just want you to be
I
careful
don't
because
know
I
if I
like
can
you
do it.
skateboarding and I don't want you to be hurt.
I got these new shoes, so I'm about to dunk on these kickflips.
Oh my God.
Oh, well, should I just go after it or
Yeah,
what?
dude. Whatever order you want.
Well, it's a lose anyway. I cut it here. Maybe I'll try this one. It's the hardest one.
Dan's starting off very negative. Who knows? Maybe he can win.
Whoa. Okay, first pop. Okay.
That's the physics.
I tried, but I can't really jump, so.
How's that?
I jumped. That's the most jumping I've done all week. Okay, I got some good flick. Alright, I'll come back.
Whew. Yeah.
I think if I could jump, I'd probably do better at this challenge.
Whoa. You gotta pop first. Whoa.
Uh-oh. That's kind of cool. What am I at? 30 seconds?
Wow.
I did this board or did I not? I didn't do this
You
board.
didn't do that. Oh, you already did that one.
Did I?
You did these two.
Oh, I didn't do that one?
No.
Or? I'm lost track. Landed it.
Oh!
All right, which one didn't I do after this?
That one.
That one? I can only pop about this high.
That's all you need.
Hey, that was kind of clean though for halfway. I'm gonna do this one.
What's our time at?
3:27?
Got a minute and a half.
I only need 3:26. Wait, that doesn't make any sense.
Oh, there you go.
That was a kickflip out of anger. I don't even care about the trucks anymore.
Good. Just do it before 5 minutes.
That's all I ask. That was sick.
The highest ollie on the chainsaw board.
I landed that, that should count. This is impossible. And they tore up my shoe. My new dunks. They aren't even dunks, I don't think.
Oh, how much time we got?
10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Come on, Dan, let it flick. Oh! Right on the buzzer! Wow! Incredible, unbelievable display. All right, Fetty.
I got a messed up leg too. Everyone seems to be struggling with this one, so I think I'm gonna do this one first.
Good call. Whoa! Dude.
Oh, my leg hurts.
Good. Wow. Oh! Oh! Gotta flick down, Fetty.
My leg is so tired. It hurts.
Oh! Whoa!
Nice.
Is that the same? Is that the same as Johnny?
No, I beat him by 3 seconds.
Still impressive. I'm doing this solely because I don't skate in videos enough. Holy fork! Whoa! Ow! I want to break this. Let's try this better on this. I'm not going for the win. I'm going just under 5 minutes. Right here, McNuggett, this for you. So tired.
He needs some milk. No, you got this, kid.
You should have caught that one.
That felt so sick, dude. I haven't kickflipped that before, so that was very cool.
I'm not satisfied with my performance.
You gonna go again?
Can I get a rebate?
I'll allow you one more.
Since I have no home advantage.
I'll allow that. Dan?
One more time. One more time. I keep messing it up with this. Can't do it anymore. That was better. That was better.
Away court advantage.
So bad.
And the winner is... Chris McNuggett! Congratulations. Is this your first one? Or second one? Yeah. Third? You won 3?
Yeah.
Out of 4?
I think the first one, Uzi, like, destroyed us all.
Oh, come on, Braille team. We gotta represent next time.
I used to do Crooks kickflip contests back in the day, so I think that helped a lot.
I don't even know who this guy is anymore. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And all of these guys have YouTube channels, so go in the link in the description. Check them out. We'll see you guys tomorrow.